Hi everyone, welcome back. I'm Tabitha and we're going to plan in my classic Happy Planner for the last week in October, last full week, which is technically not, it is Halloween, yeah. I was thinking it was the next day that's Halloween, but it is this week, so perfectly fine, because that's what we're going to decorate it for. Is Halloween. And I think I'm going to use this seasonal sticker book. I know Seasonal Type has some stuff in it too, so we might end up using some of that. Okay. And I don't need any of these boxes this week. Did a pretty good job on the whiteout this week. And I'll go ahead and put my last habit tracker box in. Wait, I'm not even gonna wait. I'm gonna go ahead and write in my planner that I need to print some more habit tracker boxes so I don't forget. I made it like perfect, guys. Okay. So we don't need any of these boxes. I'll probably make both of these to-dos in this meal plan. And then I need something here and the sticker says good food, great company. So that seems like a good sticker to write for the meal plan one. And let's see what we have in here for Halloween too. I remember it didn't have very much like to-dos and stuff. Okay, let's just get out the Planner Basics one. Ignore the front cover. I just put these pages inside of a sticker book I already had. But this is Planner Basics. Just looking for page. This is what the actual book looks like. Yep, so we want just normal to-do stickers. Let's change these around. Looks good. I want something there too, but we'll see. Okay, have I used... This is part of the Happy Illustrations book. The last couple pages I did not use, I put into this book. Which Halloween I did use. So, okay. Get the Halloween sticker. And I just realized I should probably look in here and see if there's like a different Halloween that I wanted to use. But it doesn't really look like it. I might use one of these. Or do we want to use that? Like this over the top of like that one? Or just this one that says Happy Halloween? Can you see that? Yeah, okay. Mini, miny, mo. If I do this one, then I can use up the rest of these little mushrooms on this page. So let's do that. Not that it can't use those mushrooms without it, but it will tie it together. really want like a box to go right there. Let's do like we did for last week's video and just make our own box. So I just cut out the black box piece that I have from Colorful Boxes. This is the extra sticker paper I have that went around my habit trackers. We'll just put the outline of the box onto the sticker paper. Normally I would recommend checking which side is the front and which side to make sure your sticker paper is extra sticker paper, but I can still see part of the habit tracker that I cut badly, so it is not necessary. It will look better if we just put that on top. I do like that idea. Since we're putting it on top, I'm going to move this box down. Okay, and then we definitely have a box or like somewhere to write for all of Sunday, since we filled it up with stickers, but at least there's one spot where we can write something. I like this today sticker. I do have something on Wednesday, but if I put it there, I feel like it's too much. I just felt like it balanced out that a little better on that side. Like I said, I do still need something for Wednesday. So, and I don't know, I really want to use this box somewhere. So we might just do like that. I don't know if I like that because it doesn't go all the way there. But then get back out Colorful Boxes and use some of these little black boxes. I think we'll use 2. Or 3. I could have done the other way around. It's fine. Either way, it looks cute. So, I don't know. I really like these stickers. I really like these 2 stickers. I can use both like blue stickers. I think I want to use I want to use this either with that black and white one or like one of these. I just think it would go better with that black and white one. I want to use more of those arrows because I like them. That's cute. A little mushroom pile. And then and we need something here. I still have one leaf. I don't know if I like that either. I'm just thinking if I want to use some of these. And then they would end up here, but it would be like circle, circle. Or we could use these, which are squares. That got put down very badly. Okay, that turned out kind of cute. Okay, so we filled up those boxes. We covered up the whiteout areas. I do need something for Friday still. We also have like more of these. But I feel like those will still be too big. Like I said, next to that Halloween box. I just want something like little, something like that again, but like I don't want obviously the same thing. Ooh, what about just nice orange? I don't really like that. Probably not in this one because this is the big sticker book, so probably won't have a lot of small stuff. Although this leaf might work. Just something like that's kind of cute. Okay, and if we need to, we can add another something down here. But for now, I think I'm gonna leave it like that. So I used the seasonal sticker book, seasonal type teacher sticker book, colorful boxes with some extra sticker paper, or like label paper, I think is what it's really called, and planner basics. So if you liked this one, please like the video, and if you want to see more, hit the subscribe button and the little notification bell to be notified when I put up new videos so you can see more. And yeah, that's all I got. Thanks for watching. Bye.